In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make whiteboard animation using OpenArt. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple scene and generate a clean classroom-style animation that looks like it was drawn by hand. First, open your browser and head to the OpenArt suite. On the left sidebar, click Video. This takes you into the animation workspace where you'll create clips from prompts and optional references and a few guided steps. Before you type anything, look for the start and end frame controls. These define the boundaries of your clip, telling OpenArt where the animation should begin and where it should end. If you're unsure, the defaults work well, but setting them with intention helps maintain timing and avoids odd pauses at the beginning or a fade that lingers too long at the end. Next, choose Text with Reference. This mode lets you steer the content with a short description while optionally anchoring it to a reference to keep layout and style consistent. It's especially helpful for whiteboard looks because the text sets what appears and the reference helps the system maintain that clean marker line aesthetic from frame to frame. Now, pick a model. Models vary. Some lean into smooth motion, others into stylistic precision. For whiteboard work, favor a model known for crisp line art and stability. If you're not sure which to choose, start with a balanced, general-purpose option. You can always refine after a quick test render. In the description field, type whiteboard drawing of solar system with labels, simple educational illustration, marker art. Then set your sound effect, mode, and output. A light pen-on-board sound can add realism without competing with narration. For mode, aim for settings that keep strokes steady and readable rather than overly dynamic. In output, choose the aspect ratio you need and begin with a short duration and moderate resolution so you can preview quickly. Clear, concrete prompts like this tend to yield tidy lettering, simple shapes, and that familiar whiteboard feel. When everything looks right, click Generate. You'll see a progress indicator while OpenArt creates the clip, and then a preview will appear. Watch for legible labels, a natural drawing order, and smooth pacing. If it doesn't match your intent, tighten the wording of your prompt or try a nearby model and generate again until it aligns with your vision. That's the full flow. Go to Video, confirm your start and end frames, use text with reference, choose a suitable model, write a focused prompt, set sound, mode, and output, and generate. Follow along, pause if you need to, and you'll have your first whiteboard animation ready in minutes.